This chapter is entitled Why Market Your Business Through Video. My actual question is, why not? If you've bought this course, then perhaps you don't need convincing, but there may be colleagues or clients that you need to persuade for budget or concept approval, etc. So we're just going to take a quick look at the case for online video marketing. I won't be doing this much at all, I promise, but let me throw some statistics at you. Once again, it may not be you that requires them. You're probably well aware of the ongoing war that's being fought to rank web pages on the front page of Google. Well, video increases the likelihood of a front page Google position by 53 times with proper page optimization. SEO is constantly the primary buzzword being tossed about when companies talk about online marketing. What most people and companies don't realize is that with a well-placed video, you can sort of circumnavigate all those competitors who invest thousands in SEO and appear not only on the front page of Google, but close to the top, and with a nice big eye-catching thumbnail. If the title of your video is relevant, then you'll be attracting the clicks you want without having to tussle for Google's top spot. If your business sells products or anything physical, then this is one for you. Products that have accompanying videos are 95% more likely to be bought. This is, of course, providing your pricing is competitive, but if it comes down to you and a competitor who doesn't have a video, then once again with this small addition, you could be driving substantially more sales. Finally, video can add 2 minutes to a visitor's stay on your website. This is because when viewers land on a website, they scan, they don't stop and read, they ignore most, if not all, of your beautiful copy. However, we humans are funny creatures. Stick a play button on your homepage and viewers will happily watch 2 minutes of information about your business, but they won't read it. Those extra 2 minutes give you a much larger window in which to impress and convert your visitor into a customer, or at least, someone who delves deeper into the company and the website. Now, one of the major barriers to businesses taking the leap into the world of online video marketing is the belief that they're boring or traditional. Services such as accountancy, legal, or even industrial cleaning may think they're hardly in the razzle-dazzle business, but honestly, that thought must be put aside. Video marketing isn't all viral videos, farce, and comedy. If you've got a business, then you have knowledge, expertise, quality resources, and most importantly, you obviously have an interested market. You also have a story. You may be, in your mind, a simple accountant, but that means you have knowledge, a desire to be different, and the determination to create something for yourself. Audiences love stories about people, and it humanizes the business. No longer are you just a faceless website behind which anyone could be lurking, but you're a real person that online shoppers can now feel safe in trusting their business to. There's still a lot of anxiety about buying or contracting online, and a personal video does wonders for diminishing those fears. Lastly, let's talk money. Video is still considered expensive, and while I admit you may need some budget at the outset, once that initial investment has been made, the video marketing process itself is incredibly cost effective, and to an extent, free. Even the upfront cost does not need to be massive, especially if you buy second-hand equipment or even borrow, then the returns will be even sweeter. So we're almost ready to begin. We just have one small section to get through where I'll be explaining in a little more detail what you'll be learning.